Welcome back to a little organize with me, clean with me, deep clean my bathroom with me. Hope everybody is doing well. You guys, I got this 2-tier 2-pack little organizer from Amazon, and wait until you see, this is a little before clip, wait until you see what I have come up with for my little under the cabinet storage area. It turned out better than I could have expected. I love organizing, I love cleaning, and these little organizer things transformed the space. Again, a 2-pack for like $24, less than $24. I mean, they fit the 2-pack fit literally everything in my little cabinet here. All of my products that I have for my bathroom, freaking amazing. They're beautiful, perfect, chef's kiss. I love them so much. I will have them linked below. And then wait till you guys see what I did over here on my little door. First, I'm of course giving this all a good clean because I am deep cleaning my bathroom today. So just going and cleaning the cabinets and everything, because I have a little trick. Because look at this, this is my little toiletry bag. I was like, I need somewhere to put this. Let's go ahead and hang it up. And it literally turned out perfect. It fits perfectly, like the door closes fine. Again, I just love the idea. I also hang my necklace on this little like hook that I put on the door. Amazing. I love it so much. Like, look at how much better it looks. It's clean, it's organized. Oh my gosh, it fills my soul to organize, you guys. I know you guys already know that, but I was just so happy with the outcome. I loved it so much. It's beautiful. So hopefully that gives you guys ideas on how to organize your bathroom. But look at how dirty the bathroom is. I have not had a chance to clean our disgusting bathroom in actually, I don't even know how long. Let's just say it's been a hot minute. It's been busy, you guys. Ever since I quit my job almost 2 months ago, it's been full on mom mode, you know, mom mode, wife mode. We have been busy. Things have been crazy, chaotic, hectic, stressful, but we are getting through. So I finally took the time to deep clean the bathroom, like I said, because it was absolutely disgusting. It's been forever. I always clean the mirror first, but because I have to get up on the countertop because I'm so short, I actually just kind of quickly clean off the countertop before I sit on the counter to clean the mirror, and then I just go in and like re-spray the countertop. So here I am, of course, first just cleaning off the mirror to get that nice and clean, because ooh, it gets so dirty, especially when you have 2 little kids. Like, they just splatter water everywhere. It's crazy. So very dirty, looks so much better. And then I went ahead and just, again, sprayed off the countertop and cleaned it really well, because it had been way too long. How often do you guys like deep clean your bathroom? Because every once in a while, I won't do like a full deep clean, but I will just like clean off the mirrors and the counter every once in a while, but I don't actually go in and do a full deep clean. So I was really happy and excited that I actually got to do that today. So again, just going in and cleaning the countertop. And I just love cleaning the bathroom. Like, I really should do it more seriously, because it's like afterwards, it sparkles and shines, and it's so stinking nice to have like a clean bathroom, especially because we're in the bathroom all the time, literally multiple times every single day. And so I just need to get in a better habit of cleaning it more often. And you're probably like, wow, she is spraying it a whole bunch. Truly, you guys, it was that dirty and disgusting, and I just wanted it extra clean. So spraying a lot. And who doesn't love the feeling of like a nice, clean, fresh bathroom? Here I am. You guys know I'm doing my little rug trick. So you guys saw me, I just took the rug, I pop it in my dryer. I don't wash it every single time, but I at least will pop it in the dryer for like 20-30 minutes. not even that long sometimes, but it just like fluffs it up. It gets the hair off and the lint and all of this stuff, and it just like fluffs it up. It makes it really nice. So that's what I did, and then I'm going in and I'm cleaning everything. I'm spraying everything down. You guys saw I just sprayed off the actual cabinets. I'm spraying the door. Eventually I'm going in, I'm cleaning off the trim in the bathroom because God, I've only done that honestly a few times over the last couple of years. Oh, that's embarrassing, but it's true. And then of course just going in and putting everything back. Every time I clean my bathroom, I always like kind of put things back differently because I like to kind of just like switch it up. I don't know why, but sometimes I just get bored with how things are, so I'm like, I'm gonna just kind of like switch it up. So that's what I went ahead and did, and oh, I love it so much. It's so sparkly. And then of course doing the dreaded task of cleaning the toilet. So I always spray that solution in, and I let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, and then I go in and I just clean the rest of the toilet while that solution is in there working its magic. Usually I do that at the very beginning when I first start cleaning the bathroom, but I completely forgot. So I was like, you know what, I'll just put it in there and clean the rest of the toilet while the solution is in there doing its thing. But man, I tell you guys, I deep cleaned the crap out of this bathroom today. I went like pedal to the metal and I was cleaning the whole thing. As you can see, I'm down on my hands and knees. I am like getting all the way back in all of the crevices of the toilet. I just, like I said, it's been a while and I really wanted the bathroom to look really nice. And then I'm going in with this microfiber cloth. Sorry for the focus there on my camera. It's not doing so great right now, but went in with a microfiber cloth just to get all of the dust, like all of the stuff down here, like plunger and the toilet scrubber thing, like they get so dusty. Tell me, does your bathroom get dusty like that? Like mine's crazy. So went in with the microfiber towel. Those are my tried and true. And just kind of, yeah, wiping everything down, getting all of the dust particles off, because sometimes when you're cleaning like your regular paper towel, whatever, it just like, it doesn't do it. It kind of almost spreads it around, which I hate. And so I just wanted everything to look really nice and clean. So the microfiber towel always does the trick, picks up everything. And then going in and like I said, it's been, you know, 5-10 minutes, however long. So then I go in, I scrub the toilet, get it nice and clean and sparkly. I take everything out of the rest of the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go in and do the rest of the baseboards here. And then sometimes there's even like crap on the wall. So just kind of spraying down any areas that really need that extra kind of like spot treatment. Even the frame, the trim gets so dirty. And then taking all the towels off because I need to replace them, wash them. And then the dreaded task of cleaning my shower. You guys, I don't love cleaning showers. Also my eucalyptus I've had for months. I did notice that there are like mold started to grow on it. So I was like, okay, I think it's time that we finally just cut this down, throw it away, and eventually I'll order a new one. But for now, I'm kind of liking the less is more look. So didn't order a new one quite yet. Anyways, going in with my Clorox bleach cleaner and spraying it down. Oh, you guys, this, what cleaner do you use for your shower? Let me know, drop it in the comments. This Clorox stuff, I love it. It does such a great job, but holy crap, it is so strong. Sometimes I'm like, this surely cannot be healthy breathing all of this in, right? Like, I really don't think so. Anyways, as you can see, big freaking mistake. I went in with this black towel. If you are working with bleach of any kind, even if it's like a half and half solution, well, I'm sure you guys already know, dummy me, I like wasn't thinking because I've had so much on my mind lately, was not thinking at all. I ended up having to throw that towel away because it obviously got discolored because of the bleach. So lesson learned there. I was really annoyed at myself once I realized what I did when I got done cleaning the shower. And then going in and just taking a towel and just wiping everything down. Getting all the soap scum off and everything. But like I said, just cleaning the shower, there's like only a few tasks, like cleaning tasks that I really loathe doing, and cleaning like the shower and the tub, I don't know what it is. It's just not for me. It's one of the things that I really dread. I love vacuuming. I love like even cleaning the toilet, you know, I really don't actually mind that. For some reason, it's the shower for me. I don't know. I don't love it. It's overwhelming for me. But super happy that it is done because it definitely needed it. And then I'm going in and I am going to be cleaning the shower doors. You guys, I have not mastered the shower doors yet. Don't know what it is. I've used every cleaner under the book. Today I was like, you know, whatever, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my glass cleaner. I'm gonna use my Windex. I'm so over it, but I don't know how to get it like super extra clean. I don't know if it's just a frequency matter, like I need to be doing it more. Let me know if you've got any tips or tricks for me, because I just can't get these glass doors clean, like super clean to how they were when we first got them. I don't know. It's like, is it not possible? It has to be possible. My husband at one point, he even sprayed, what is it, Rain-X or I don't know, something like that, on them, because we thought maybe that would help like mitigate some of the soap scum, but it just didn't work. So drop a comment, let me know what you use. And then of course going in and with my vacuum and just getting all of the dust and all of the particles, everything all vacuumed up. And then finally I pop the rug back out of the dryer and look, it's nice, it's fluffy. My absolute favorite thing. I love putting the rug back in, and then peep my little new organized area. I love it. And here I am going back in with the new fresh towels. And look at how nice it looks. It's so sparkly, clean, fresh. Oh, we need to change a light bulb. Forgot about that. But yeah, it's just fresh and clean, and literally it sparkles. Like, if this isn't motivation to go and clean your bathroom, honestly, I don't know what is. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna go ahead and share a little message at the end of the video. All right, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little clean with me and organizing with me and my little updates. I know the videos just haven't been coming. It has been like when you have been doing something for so long, aka working in a certain field for 15 years, and then all of a sudden you have this like brand new life essentially. It just like, I don't know, there's this period of adjustment, and that's where I'm currently in right now, is just adjusting to kind of like this new life, which has been pretty interesting so far. So I don't know. Anyways, okay. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, I would love to have you join my channel. I am so close to like 800 subscribers, you know, just really trying to grow it still. So please subscribe. I would love to have you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in my next video.